Are you looking to improve your fitness and wellness routine? I've put together a list of 20 great Amazon devices that can help boost your health and make your workouts more effective. Whether you're looking for something to track your progress or enhance your recovery, there's something for everyone. I have listed the best devices to get you started. You can find links to the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video in the description below. Sport Near Wrist Strengthener. Featuring 7-kilogram tension, this wrist exerciser helps enhance strength, speed, and power in the wrists, fingers, and forearms. The adjustable stabilizer pad allows for regular and reverse wrist curls, making it suitable for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Crafted with heavy-duty carbon steel springs and a thick 10mm foam pad, it ensures both durability and comfort. Its compact, lightweight design makes it perfect for on-the-go use, whether at the gym or office. FitVid's Battle Rope. Made with a durable polyester blend, the 3-strand training rope offers high tensile strength to prevent fraying or breaking. The heat-shrink ends provide a secure grip for efficient workouts. Easily portable and compact, it rolls up for convenient storage. Ideal for improving endurance and strength, this rope serves as an excellent alternative to traditional weights, helping you increase stamina and power for more intense, full-body training sessions. Davlin Vertical Jump Trainer Equipment. Crafted to maximize leg strength and vertical leap, this trainer utilizes resistance bands to enhance agility and muscle power. The adjustable waistband and ankle straps ensure a perfect fit for any user, while the upgraded design provides secure, comfortable workouts. Made with eco-friendly materials and reinforced with steel clips, it's built for durability. Suitable for various sports, including volleyball and football, it boosts performance and overall fitness for athletes of all ages. HPYGN Pull-Up Assistance Bands. This set includes 3 elastic bands designed to assist beginners and professionals in achieving pull-ups. The adjustable length allows for a customized fit, ensuring a comfortable and effective workout. The set also includes upgraded accessories like adjustable straps, elastic bands, and sponge pad slings for multifunctional use. Ideal for gradual strength building, these bands help you progress until you can perform full pull-ups independently, enhancing overall upper body strength. Amazfit Band 7. Featuring a 1.47-inch HD AMOLED display, this fitness tracker is 112% larger than previous models, offering a clearer view of workout stats. The long-lasting battery supports up to 18 days of use and up to 28 days in battery saver mode. With 120 sports modes and water resistance up to 50 meters, it tracks a variety of activities. Additionally, it provides health monitoring features like heart rate, blood oxygen, stress levels, and sleep tracking, ensuring all-around fitness insights. AtivaFit Folding Exercise Bike. This space-saving bike features 7 adjustable seat heights and 8 magnetic resistance levels for a customizable, quiet workout. Its durable alloy steel frame supports up to 265 pounds and ensures stability during sessions. The compact design includes smooth rolling wheels for easy storage and movement. The LCD display tracks essential workout metrics such as time, speed, and calories, helping you monitor your progress while enjoying an efficient, low-impact cardio session at home. TheraFlow Foot Massager. Designed to relieve foot pain and improve circulation, this wooden foot roller targets discomfort from plantar fasciitis and neuropathy. Its reflexology technology promotes relaxation and pain relief, making it perfect for under-desk use. The massager is compact and easy to use, providing quick relief for tired feet. A thoughtful gift for those with foot pain, it offers effective pain management and flexibility in a simple, relaxing way. Zealous Ab Machine, his dual-track abdominal coaster, combines crunch and leg raise movements, delivering targeted abdominal training. With foam-padded knee support and adjustable incline, it accommodates users of all levels. The robust steel frame ensures stability during intense sessions, supporting up to 265 pounds. The unique design enhances muscle activation and provides a smoother, more effective workout. Ideal for those looking to tone and strengthen their core, it delivers results with every movement. Amerising Power Strip. This 7-in-1 power strip features 3 AC outlets and 4 USB ports, including USB-C for fast charging of devices. The 4.9 feet extension cord and clamp mount provide flexible placement options, making it ideal for desks and nightstands. The upgraded design includes a power indicator and improved mounting, offering greater convenience. Its multi-protection system ensures safety against overloads and short circuits, providing a reliable charging solution for all your devices in a compact form. Power Block Dumbbell. These Power Block dumbbells offer adjustable weights ranging from 5 to 50 pounds per hand, allowing for personalized strength training. The compact, space-saving design makes them portable and convenient, replacing multiple dumbbells with one set. The quick adjustability feature ensures efficient transitions between exercises, while the padded handle offers a comfortable grip. Built to last with durable materials, this set is ideal for home gyms and long-term fitness, providing a versatile solution for strength training. Hyperwear Sandbag. Crafted with Supertech's durable neoprene, the sandbag offers a textured, easy-to-hold surface for swings and slams. It features water-resistant fabric to shed sweat and includes sand for added convenience. Perfect for strength training, this versatile sandbag can be used in various workouts like yoga, plyo, and tactical training. Its compact design stacks for easy storage, making it ideal for home or commercial gyms. The soft yet durable neoprene ensures comfort and longevity during intense exercises. Gaiam Pilates Ring. The 15-inch Pilates ring provides ideal resistance for strengthening and toning arms, legs, and core. Featuring padded non-slip foam handles, it enhances comfort and stability during exercises. Lightweight and flexible, the ring is designed to contract under pressure for an effective workout. Perfect for at-home or studio use, it helps sculpt muscles, improve flexibility, and increase strength. Whether for Pilates or general resistance training, this tool supports a variety of fitness routines. Maxi Climber Vertical Climber. The Maxi Climber offers a full-body workout that combines cardio and muscle toning in one motion. Its versatile design works for all fitness levels and targets strength, endurance, and power. Featuring an elastic resistance system, you can customize your workout by adjusting resistance. This low-impact climber is easy on the knees and ankles, making it suitable for those seeking a gentle yet effective fitness solution. Achieve maximum calorie burn while building muscle and improving cardiovascular health. Gorilla Mats Exercise Mat. Transform any room into a home gym with Gorilla Mats, perfect for high-intensity workouts like HIIT, strength training, or dance. Known for their unmatched performance, the mat's durable, non-slip top layer offers cushioning and stability, while the patterned bottom prevents sliding. It's designed to protect floors and joints, making it ideal for all types of surfaces. With extra thickness and high-density construction, the mat ensures comfort and durability during intense training sessions. Anchior Underdesk Treadmill. The Underdesk Treadmill is an excellent choice for improving health with a 2.5 horsepower quiet motor, supporting up to 300 pounds. It features a 40 by 16-inch track, offering ample space for comfortable walking. Equipped with 5 anti-slip layers and 8 silicone shock absorbers, it reduces joint impact. The treadmill also boasts a rugged frame, remote control storage, and adjustable feet for balance. Its quiet operation and compact design make it ideal for use at home or in the office. Aura Smart Ring. Track your sleep, activity, and health metrics with the Aura Ring, featuring advanced sensors for precise data. It monitors over 20 biometrics, offering personalized insights into your wellness journey. With the Aura membership, gain access to premium features and integration with apps like Apple Health and Strava. Compatible with both iOS and Android, the Ring offers seamless synchronization with your favorite health platforms, a must-have for anyone looking to monitor and optimize their health in real time. Training Mask. Enhance your fitness with the Training Mask, crafted from medical-grade elastomer for durability. Designed to increase your breathing power, stamina, and flexibility, it allows for on-the-fly resistance adjustment, even during workouts. The mask uses NXT Force 3 technology, which helps push your limits by simulating higher altitudes, enhancing your training intensity. Perfect for athletes, it's engineered to improve overall fitness levels and endurance by challenging your respiratory system, leading to greater strength and performance. Champs MMA Boxing Reflex Ball. Sharpen your reflexes, hand-eye coordination, and agility with this MMA Boxing Reflex Ball. It's perfect for athletes of all ages and skill levels, offering a fun way to improve reaction times. The set includes a headband and connects with an app to track progress and punch counts. Compete with friends or family for the highest score while enhancing your boxing skills. Ideal as a fitness gift, it's suitable for anyone looking to add excitement to their training routine. Gizmos Portable Neck Fan. Stay cool on the go with the Gizmos Neck Fan, featuring 78 air outlets for a constant breeze around your face and neck. The hands-free design ensures comfort and convenience, while the fan's quiet motor operates at just 25 decibel, making it easy to hear your own breath. With 4 to 16 hours of runtime depending on speed, it provides reliable cooling for outdoor events, workouts, and travel. Fashionable and comfortable, this fan is ideal for staying cool without distractions. Sunny Health and Fitness Rowing Machine. Experience a low-impact, full-body workout with the Sunny Health and Fitness Rowing Machine. With 12 adjustable resistance levels, it provides a smooth, quiet workout, perfect for home use. The hydraulic resistance system ensures noise control, and the digital monitor tracks your progress, including time, count, and calories burned. The lightweight design and customizable pedal straps make it easy to adjust for comfort. A great choice for those seeking a fun, efficient way to tone and burn fat. That's a wrap on our top 20 Amazon fitness and wellness devices to elevate your health routine. Whether you're looking to boost your workouts, track your progress, or simply enhance your overall well-being, these devices are sure to make a difference. For the best prices on any of these products, be sure to check out the links in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it with your fitness-loving friends, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tips, reviews, and updates. Stay healthy, stay motivated, and keep pushing towards your wellness goals.